that if you wanted to make it smaller and start completely from scratch, which is what some people need to do if they're blocking windows or whatever, is you go in, look at all this beautiful new growth. You can actually cut anything you want anywhere, but like you could cut here and it would all be fine eventually. You don't want to do that because it's nice and beautiful, whatever. So the order of things is this. You go through and you get the dead stuff first, okay? Go around the whole thing. Then you evaluate and you say, okay, how about this little guy? Leggy, not strong. Let me consider taking that. You have to understand, though, the implications or impact if you take away little things. So follow the branch, to the origin and see what would it look like without this. You could even hold it up. So leggy things that are kind of weak and not helpful. The other thing is branches that are going straight down, okay? Or in directions that you don't want to foster. So if they're going out horizontally and you want to keep the plant more compact, okay, you get those. If they're going up high but you want to keep it lower, you grab those. So it's about controlling the plant to a certain degree to the shape that you want. And then what you do is, this is very important, is you make some cuts, you walk around, you make some more, you do this, you try to be even. Then you step back and you evaluate, because it's easy to get like kind of lost in an area. Then before you know it, it's like, oh wow, this is very lopsided.